Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to make a simple video. Okay, we'll make a simple video of optical illusion. You know what is optical illusion? I think so everybody knows. If you do not know, please Google it. So what we are going to take a scale, we are going to take a pencil, and the two colors which we need is the gray and the black color. So what we do is we take the same measurement as of the scale. We draw straight line, correct? After that we put a scale here again, and the same measurement of the scale again we make a straight line. This will continue till the end of the book. Okay, keep on continuing it till the end of the book, bachus. Okay, so this is done. Our optical illusion will be only till here. This part will be a waste one. Okay, after that you have to invert your book like that. And remember two alphabets. One alphabet is V and the other alphabet is A. Now what we are going to do is, with the same measurement, we are going to draw very light lines. Okay, now we don't want dark lines. We want only light lines with the same measurement of that of the scale. So very lightly we have drawn these lines. It's a very simple one. I'm doing it in a very simple way, children, where there will be, so we have made these checks. Now what we are going to do is, in one, we will start from right from the corner. Okay, first we shall make a V. You can take your scale. If you want it very accurately, from here and here we draw a V here, and then we draw a V from here to here. Once we have drawn a V on the second, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. On the second one we will draw a ulta V or a alphabet. Okay, ulta V. Okay. Ulta V. Understood? Now again, see, this was 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now in this 3 again we are going to draw a V. Correct? Oh, let my book go a little wakdu and let's make it takdu. So a V. So V A V. Now in the second box we are going to make it ulta. We are going to make A, V, A. Now we will start again from here. This scale I am using for my accuracy, children. Okay, so that my figure is very, very, very accurate. Now again from here we will go like that. And here we are drawing here. See, there will be a diamond shape which is formed. Correct? See, I am showing you a very small thing. You all can make it in a big part. More bigger you make, the more optical illusion you will get. Okay, now again a V. A V. Now again we will do it ulta. Now it will be what? V A V. Okay, it is ulta pulta. Even the coloring part will be ulta pulta. Now can I go at some speed so that okay, it should be like that. I get confused. Optical illusion बोला और ये drawing बनने के बाद है ना, मेरी भी आंखें से गुंचो हो रही है. इसलिए you know I have chosen to draw a small figure. It is just to teach you. Okay, you all can make many lines and big figures. Okay, I don't do it because I get hypnotized. So if you all want to hypnotize Tanu Auntie, please draw optical illusion drawings in the black and white contest and send it across to me. And when I see those optical illusion drawings, I'll get hypnotized. Yeah, है ना? I get hypnotized. These are used by doctors, tantrics, you know, to hypnotize someone. और उनके पेट में जो बात है उसको उगलवाने के लिए ये सब यूज़ किया जाता है. I had seen this optical illusion, you know what, in CID serial. First Either they have a ghum chakkar. Have you seen that ghum chakkar? It goes junjudu 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 junjudu. This is a ghum chakkar. ये भी मैं नहीं देख सकती. And then there is another type of ghum chakkar. First one circle, then 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 one circle. This is another ghum chakkar. Now when you all are drawing this, I have just made 1 2 3 1 2 3, but when you all draw it, you all can make multiple lines, multiple, then slowly make these lines, and then you all start with your V, then A, then V A V A V A V A. Okay, now again हम लोग बुक को वाकड़ू से ताकड़ू कर देंगे. And now concentrate on which parts you are supposed to color. Now first, whatever diamonds you all have made, okay, those diamonds are going to be sampurna black. This will be black, 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 and this will be black. After making this, if this is gray, this will be white, then again this is going to be gray. So it is a topsy-turvy fur. So first what I'll do is I'll cover my blacks. If I have ink in my marker, let's see, I have 2-3 markers, or else I shall use my oil pastel. Okay, so I'm going to color it completely black. So you all can start. You all have understood it. You all can skip this part of the video because I'm just going to make it black, black, black and black. If you all wish, you all can skip this part of the video because this all things will be black. Or should I do one thing, I'll off the video, complete my back and come back to you. Okay children, see, I have colored all my क्या बोलते हैं इसको, eat वाले colors black. Now what am I going to do is I have taken my gray color and I'm going to color alternate parts gray. So I'll start quickly. I've taken my gray oil pastels, children. Now since this is gray, this will be white. Now again this is going to be gray. You've understood, children? So you have to leave one. Again this will be white. Okay, we are omitting this part. Okay children, now since this is white, now this is going to be gray. Understood? You have to do ulta pulta. This is an ulta pulta drawing. Okay, now this will be white and this shall be gray till here. Okay, after we do this, we are going to jump again. Now this is going to be gray. This will be gray. I'm left with you have to do it very accurately so that it really looks like an illusion. Okay, this will be gray. Again this is going to be gray. The reason for me doing it with a marker was, again this is going to be gray, so that my black color spreads. So I have done it with the marker. Now if you all see it continuously for some time, you all will be able to see few boxes, correct? Can you all see? नहीं तो तनु आंटी's fail. I don't do it जानबूझ के ज़्यादा because then मेरा सिर घूमने लगता है. You all see? See, if you all see, now you can walk on these boxes. कुठे गेला? इकडे आहे. Okay, so these are illusion drawings, a simple illusion drawings. But children, when you do it, you know, I am having a tough time. That is why I made a very small one. You all can make a big one, a big, huge one. See, नाउ काले काले को देखने, काला काला काला, एक बॉक्स. सी दिस इज वन बॉक्स. कैन यू सी? ऐसा किया नहीं, ऐसा किया तो वो छोटा हो जाते, ऐसा किया तो वो बड़ा हो जाते, फिर ये ऐसा हो जाते, तो ऐसा इस बुक को घुमाएगा तो वो ऑप्टिकल इल्यूशन हो जाता है. कैन यू सी दिस? सी अगेन आई डू. इकडे आए, दिस इज सेम. नाउ ये बुक को ऐसे टेढ़ा किया टेढ़ा किया टेढ़ा किया तो ऐसा चपटा चपटा बॉक्स दिखते हैं. करेक्ट. अब ये बुक को वापिस सीधा किया, थोड़ा बड़ा बड़ा होता ही, फिर इसको ऐसा किया तो वो ऐसा इससे चपटे 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 होते. So this is optical illusion. This is the simplest form of optical illusion which I have done. You just have to keep in mind. See, I'll show you the trick. Oh my god. Oh, so the trick is, first draw vertical lines, then turn your book and draw horizontal lines, and then you have to divide. See, if this is 1, this will be 2, this will be 3 and 4 and 5. देन एक में वी करने का, एक में ए करने का, एक में वी करने का, एक में ए करने का. अभी वो उल्टा पुल्टा करने का. देन ऑल द डायमंड्स आर टू बी कलर्ड ब्लैक. All the diamonds are to be colored black, and then when you start with these parts, one will be gray, one will be white, one will be gray, one will be white. अभी इकडे ग्रे केलं तर इकडे white, इकडे ग्रे केलं तर इकडे white. Okay, so my CDs नहीं, ये ज़्यादा जम्बो हो गई. हाँ, ये छोटे छोटे बॉक्स, ये बड़ा बड़ा बॉक्स, ये छोटे छोटे बॉक्स, ये बड़ा बड़ा बॉक्स. Okay, bye till then. I'll continue children every day now, and I will see to that I finish all the promises which I have made. I'm a bit 1 week late, but please excuse me. I'm really sorry for it. Bye bye.